One of the biggest challenges in content creation is the time it takes. You can spend hours writing scripts, recording voiceovers, editing clips, and adding captions. By the time you're done, you feel burned out. And sometimes the video doesn't even perform well. That's why ShortBeast AI is such a game changer. It handles the hard parts for you. You don't need to write long scripts because the AI generates them. You don't need to record your voice because it creates realistic voiceovers. And you don't need to edit because it puts everything together into a clean, professional video with subtitles. What used to take hours now takes minutes. That means you can focus on growing your channel, posting more content, or even starting a side hustle creating videos for others. If you want to save hours and still create amazing videos, sign up through my link in the description and try ShortBeast AI today.